Okay, hi guys, this is something different from airbrushing. I do everything, and one of my friends into these haunted dolls things. Says, hey, you can airbrush. Have you tried making these scary dolls? My friend wants one, but he didn't want to pay that much, so I say I'll try to do something. So he gave me a doll and beautiful teddy bear, classic, and I don't have much tools on me right now, but I'll see if I can make it to a zombie or something with it. Yeah. Let's see how this turns out, so see you in the next clip. Okay, hi guys, hello my subscribers and those who are new. This is something I'm doing new on my channel. I usually do airbrush helmets, motorbike tanks, and other stuff, and since Halloween and I'm trying to think cool, so this first one I've done my own zombie teddy bear. I bought this teddy bear and it was cheap in a shop. I'm in Thailand, so got this for 20 baht. So I did everything, was painted the eyes white. And make it more realistic, I cut the head open and put a little skull cap in there. Did the stomach. The bones I used is plain old drinking straw, plastic. And broken leg there. The teeth I used was fake nails and cut them down. And what I did was the color, these are water-based color, I mixed them with liquid latex, like I bought in a small bottle. So it's more doable. But yeah, tell me what you think. Now, since this first one we've done a zombie teddy bear and someone likes it, I'm gonna sell it. So, yeah, good one. Let me know what you think. I was gonna put a fork in one end like he's eating himself, but don't know. You think there should be saying add more to this, let me know and leave a comment. But yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.